In this video today, we are going to talk about Adaeze Eluke. Adaeze Eluke was born on October 29, 1989. She hails from Eziagu local government area of Enugu State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. She is the first child in the family of 7. Adaeze made a second-class honor degree in law and was called to bar in December 2017. Adaeze Eluke made her entry into the Nigerian entertainment industry as a model. She emerged winner at the Calabar Carnival Queen in 2010. She also contested for Miss Nigeria in 2013. Adaeze launched herself into Nollywood some years back. She has since starred in several Nollywood movies, some of which include Captive of Love, Powerless Contest, Bond, Land of Treasure, The One, A Feast of Death, The Last I Love, and many others. Adaeze is beautiful, creative, exceptionally talented Nollywood actress known for brilliant interpretation of movie roles. She can as well fit in any character given to her, and she does this well to the numerous fans both within and outside Nigeria. Adaeze has featured with top Nollywood celebrities such as Uju Okoli, Matilda Lambert, Osita Iheme, Destiny Etiko, and other big Nollywood actors in the industry. Her media popularity has grown over time with over 292,000 followers on her Instagram handle. Do you know that Adaeze's dad is dead? Adaeze lost her father in October 2020. The young actress took to Instagram to announce the death of her father on her Instagram page, where she wrote, "Why do good people have to leave us soon? My heart is heavy, but the question remains, will this pain ever stop? I am trying to stay strong for my mom and siblings, but it is so hard that we never see my king again." Adaeze Eluke has a daughter who clocked 4 years old on March 2020. It is however not known if she is married or not because she keeps her family issues top private from the public.
So 2 days ago, something happened in my family. Short story. I'm going to make it really long. Long story. I'm going to make it really short. Forgive me. So I sent my sister to the market to get some foodstuffs for me, and then asked her to buy my daughter an umbrella. So when she got to the market, she got the foodstuff and she got a very beautiful umbrella. And she called me on the phone. That I can't wait for you to see this umbrella. This umbrella is so fine. That Gabby is going to love this umbrella. I said okay. So long story short, she got home, brought out all the things from the keke and forgot that umbrella. So when Gabby woke up, I was like, "Where's the umbrella?" Then we started looking for the umbrella, and then we realized the umbrella is not in the house. And she had to call. She told me, "Please call the lady we pick up stuff from the market, so we see if she forgot the umbrella there." Oh my God. So where the lady? Yeah, because did my sister forget an umbrella? She said no. Oh, that it must have been in that keke. Oh, that she saw my sister was putting the umbrella in the keke. Hey, that fine umbrella. She even said the same thing. Hi. I told my sister, "See, forget it. That keke man is not coming." She said she believes that the keke man is going to come. And for some reason, she knows the keke man returned the umbrella. I said, it's just umbrella. It's not that serious. But I'm not sure that man is returning it. Before you know it, my people, my sister don't reach market. Now, I now called her out. "Where are you?" It's very annoying. Said she's in the market. She went to that particular spot just to see if she would see the keke man, that she really likes that umbrella. I'm like, "You're not serious." Anyway, since you're already in the market, please go back to that shop and buy another umbrella for my daughter. So she went back to the shop, but that particular style, that one she chose was the only one there at that time. The rest ones were not what she wanted. So she got the umbrella. This is the one she got. It's nice, but it's for boys, it's blue. So when she got it, she was really feeling down that she really wanted that umbrella. She's going to pray about that umbrella, say umbrella cake. So my dear people, it's been 2 days. Today, I was in my room. Next thing, she just rushed into the room and said, "Ada, guess what? The keke man returned the umbrella." And behold, this umbrella is so cute. Now I see why she literally cried for this umbrella. So guys, long story short, sometimes it's good to just have a little faith.
Adaeze Eluke is of the opinion that most Nigerian men only want to date and fling with actresses, but not willing to marry them. The actress, who stated that the majority of men in that group are Igbos, added that they are responsible women in Nollywood. Adaeze also has shown concern for women who get married to gay men and has sent some words out to the men. In her Instagram post where she shared a photo of herself, Adaeze asked the gay men not to marry any woman and then make her life miserable in the marriage. Noting that she has nothing against their practice, she suggested that these men should not bother getting married to a female partner, as marriage is not for everybody.
Good morning to you. I wanted to make this video yesterday, but I was too tired to make it. But however, we are here. It's a new day. Why do some people go to events and shows with the sole intent to steal? Like, you get ready to go for a show, yeah, and your purpose of going to that show is to steal and sexually abuse women. Why? So quick one, my sister got this job in the ongoing Enugu State Christmas Carnival. She got this job with VBank to market and tell people about the bank. It's an online bank. She got this job like 4 days ago. She has been going for the seminar. Then she started the job like 3 days ago. She went for the first day, you know, came back. She was really excited. She talks everybody around me, about everybody in the house. Since she started this job, we know here what VBanking this, VBanking that. At a time, I was even considering, you know, getting the app just for her sake, because she kept talking about it. You know, when she went the second day, which was like day before yesterday night, the show was going on. They move around, trying to talk to people about the online bank. Next thing, someone pressed her boobs. She turned to talk to the person. Why did you touch my boobs? Next thing, that person pressed her butt. And then she was like, what's going on? Next thing, she didn't know, and that person from the side again zipped her. She had a bag, you know, this waist bag where she had her phones in. And the person put his hand while she was still talking to the other person that pressed her butt and collected her phone. And she didn't even realize. Next thing, she looked at herself and realized that her zip, the bag is, you know, a bit lighter. Tried to put her hand, where's my phone? And she turned around. Those guys were laughing because apparently they know what they did. Why do you go to events to sexually abuse women and steal their things? I know a lot of people must have had different stories about what they had to go through in going for events. These entertainers come out here to entertain people, make people happy, and then you go out there to rob people of their joy, their happiness. It's not fair. Now this young girl has put in so much effort in this job.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. What is your favorite Adeze's movie? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.